Good evening, ma'am. I'm so happy to have you here, ma'am. And I'm so thrilled. I'm on cloud nine after meeting you.
Very good evening. Even I'm also happy to be here on your channel. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, ma'am. My daughter is she's on me, and she had her vaccination today, so she's not up to that level. Okay. Well,
No
anyhow,
problem. You can carry her now.
yes, okay. And how is your life going on, ma'am?
Life is going good. Now it is again back on track because summer vacations are finally over. It was really
Okay.
hectic for last month. Literally, it was very hectic. I did not have any single session with anyone, like except teachers.
Okay.
I was connecting only with English Yari tutors, sometimes with Clapping Go. Apart from I'm doing solo videos, I have done solo videos, but I think I'm connecting after a long time with someone. So feeling happy and excited too. Yeah.
Yes, I watched your solo videos, ma'am. It was amazing. And how did you do that, ma'am? See, for doing solo video, for doing that, we need so many practices, homeworks. We have to do so many homeworks. And how was it possible, ma'am? And what have you done to do that? And did you do any homework behind that? Behind the scenes, could you explain, ma'am?
See how much time do I spend, but still no one watches my solo video. I got only 500, 400 views on that, and I feel
Oh,
literally very bad. Yes,
no.
you asked me about homework at night while sleeping, or maybe like when I was lying on my bed. I kept thinking about the
Yes.
script. I write my script at night, and during the day, whenever I get time, I just record the video. So yeah, I have actually practiced a lot. One single script, maybe 20, 25 times. I keep repeating it until I've done the final shot because, I don't get time to create video. So when I'm doing my household chores, I'm playing with my baby, I keep repeating these things in my mind. Okay, this is how I have to say this whenever I get time. So this is how I do it. And so many I need to take also.
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes when we put so many efforts, some efforts for for our video, but if it doesn't go well, we feel somewhat demotivated, and we may think that we can easily go with conversational videos other than making some solo videos.
Yeah, it's so easy to have conversation. I feel literally very comfortable while having conversation because you don't even need to spend single time on anything
Yes,
except setting the camera. That's it. You're good to go.
yes,
So but solo literally it takes a lot of hard work, but
yes.
nobody understands that. I'm doing so much research, so much practice, and then I'm creating video, and people thought, why to watch? Maybe because of thumbnail, maybe because of title, so it's not getting that much attention. I really feel bad for that.
Yes, but you will get, ma'am, you will get viewers very soon, ma'am, because I watched your solo videos, the steps you have mentioned, and it's really very practical. We can easily adopt that practice, ma'am. But we should be ready to do that. We should be ready to adapt that practice. See, by simply watching and simply spending our time on social media, we cannot achieve our level. We should come forward something, but we are not ready to do that. So we are not watching that.
Right. That is also true. Because implement karna, like it's very important to implement something you're watching. You are just watching, consuming, but there is no output until you
Mm.
speak, until you apply those methods or rules into your regular routine. It won't help you.
Yes, I've been telling stories for my daughters, ma'am, so that I can include my instructions in that story. I have been following that. I cannot instruct them directly, so I'm using this as a mode, ma'am. This as a mode to correct them. So I can easily embed my instructions to them. See,
Okay,
after,
that
yes, when I'm telling the story, I can easily see. Right, ma'am, the clock sound. When I'm telling the story, I can easily visualize them, ma'am. Their visualization power, and I can see this eyes, they are actually shining. So
okay.
yes, I thought it's a very good tool to correct them without troubling them, without any harsh warning. We can easily, yes, we can easily instruct our thoughts, warnings to them. My younger one, my elder one, daily I tell them two stories, ma'am. My elder one, she
Wow.
needs king, minister, and animal stories. Wild
Okay.
animal stories. My younger one, she needs flowers and small creatures like butterfly, squirrels, rabbits. So I have to
Okay.
think and tell them different stories every day. So I
So you
use that.
create own stories.
Yes, ma'am. I create own stories and I use that as a platform. Sometimes I feel that a picture actually paints 1,000 word, ma'am. So 1,000 words. So sometimes I use that as a platform to tell all my wishes and how I want them to be, how I want them to study further, and how they want to be fluent or obedient. So I actually embody all my feelings to that story. And sometimes they even realize, okay, mom is telling about us. She needs this improvement from us. They can
Yes,
easily
absolutely
relate,
right.
ma'am. Yes.
Right, right. Even I am doing this. I am doing it for a quite long time because
Oh,
when my child he was only 3 4 years old, I used to tell him, and he understand at the same moment.
wow.
That you're talking about me, na? That boy is me, na, mama. That boy is me, na. You're talking about.
Yes.
Always he understand, and I still laugh. But I love to create these kinds of story and tell them because they don't understand otherwise.
Yes.
Actually, you are very right. Storytelling is the best way to tell them that what we want from them without
We want to.
harshing, without getting strict, without scolding. And
Yes.
stories are the best. When this is what I used to do, but I think recently from last couple of months I'm not doing it. And
Yes.
I think you remind me of it, and I'll definitely do it from today.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Whenever, say, when I started narrating the story, I can see that imaginations can take flight. Their eyes, their face, everything, ma'am. The mesmerizing moment, right? So I feel very energetic and I feel very enthusiastic after watching their face. So I just add some, what are the things I want to tell? I just add colors, backgrounds, the sounds, the story, the
Right,
actions, and from that they'll be very curious to know what would happen next. So they keep on asking,
right.
oh, tell me. Sometimes I actually use this as a tool to say something to my husband, ma'am. If I don't like some of his actions or behavior, I utilize this as an opportunity to say that.
Great. I think it's a great idea. So do you tell stories in English or in your mother tongue?
Ma'am, in both the thing. One
Both the
time
things.
with my mother tongue and the next time with English in English. So it depends, ma'am. Depends on my mood, on my health.
Same with me. I'm not even sure that always I'm narrating it like in English because sometimes I'm really tired and I don't want to speak. And at that
Mm.
moment, they force me, Mama, story, Mama,
Sorry.
like tell me a story. So at that moment, simply like in my mother tongue, I create a story and just finish it quickly.
Yes.
Sometimes.
Yes, and then after telling the story, ask them what is the title of the story and what did you understand from this story. I need some moral from the story. And yes, ma'am. And whenever I tell about a family, we have pet names for all of us, ma'am. So I assume their pet name as the protagonist, and I start narrating the story.
Okay, great,
And
great. So
actually,
you
after
both kids communicate in
yes, ma'am.
English.
Yes,
Both
ma'am.
of your
They,
kids, they communicate.
they
Comfortable.
communicate in English. Yes, yes.
Very nice. Very nice. Good.
And we have another plan, ma'am. Everyone should come in front of us by holding a book, and we have to narrate that story in front of us.
Okay,
We
okay.
have so many story
Okay.
books, ma'am. So we have to take one book every day. Each one book, ma'am. So we have to take that book in front of everyone. We have to come forward, and we three should listen to her, and
Okay.
we are allowed to ask questions. We
Okay,
can ask
great.
questions and we can ask the moral. So, what are you trying to say from this story? So, what would happen if he was not there in that position? So, we can analyze, we can think, ma'am.
I
This is
think
the
that's
thing we are
the great
doing.
way to, yeah, it's a great way to enhance a language as well as to judge the practical, what do we say that? like common sense, how the child is curious to understand and how much he understands. So the
Yes, ma'am.
story are the best part, I think, for development of a language, as well as you want to say whatever you want to say, you can say through the story. That is the second benefit you are getting
Yes.
advantage.
And they
But
feel happy that
hmm,
someone is watching us, so someone is encouraging that.
right. Right, that's true. The same with me even, but yeah, my younger one is too young, so he doesn't understand any story now. But maybe after a year, he will also start understanding all those story because I remember the elder one when he was 3. Since then, I kept telling him stories before I sleep. So it's the
Okay.
habit. Even now, like he's 6 plus, but he makes sure that I should tell him a story, then only he sleeps. Otherwise, he get angry. Most of the
Mm.
time he gets angry if I say that no, I'm so tired. I don't
Yeah.
want to tell you any story. And he never asks his father to tell a story.
Yes.
Why kids are like that?
Likewise, ma'am, here when I'm at extreme tired, I beg them, ma'am, please, you please ask your dad to tell a story, but they never want, ma'am. And
Right.
he's also not ready to tell a story.
I think this is the story of every house. Like men
Yes,
are not directly participating in any of the activity with kids. Like it's
yes.
all the mothers who are spending 24 hours, even day and night. But yeah, one thing I can see in my husband that my kids, both of them, they sleeps with his father.
Okay.
No problem at all. Yeah.
My
So
younger
that
one,
is
ma'am,
one thing.
he's taking care of her studies.
Okay.
My husband, he teaches her and everything he does for her, ma'am. So for story alone, they need me.
Yeah.
And that too,
Especially
first thing in our mother tongue, ma'am. They need the story in Tamil. Then I can translate that in English. But first of all, they want to hear that in Tamil language.
that's the main language because they are growing up with the same language. So they understand and feel connected.
Is
Because my son, I don't know why, from where did he learn it, but he keeps saying nowadays that I don't want to learn English. I just
actually.
want to speak Hindi. He
Oh.
said this so many times, and I don't know from where it is coming from. It's been few months that he's not communicating with me in English language. Though he understands English, he
Oh.
speaks good English, but he's not talking to me. He said, if you want to speak English, go to the foreign and then talk. We are
Oh.
living in India and we have to speak Hindi. I don't know. I think like he's speaking so big words. Like I don't know from where he's getting it. And I asked him that, look, your school teachers, all they are communicating in English. You should communicate in English, then you will be fluent. He said, no, I want to speak in Hindi. I don't know. Suddenly, this change has happened a few months ago. Earlier, it was not the case.
Why? Because watching a mobile or TV, ma'am, they are telling that you
No.
concentrate on your mother tongue. English is a foreign language. I don't know, ma'am.
I don't know, even in mobile phones. Earlier, he used to watch only English shows, but now he's watching the Hindi version of those shows. And
Oh,
when I asked him, then don't watch them, he said, I want to watch Hindi, otherwise, I don't want to watch anything.
oh.
So what is with him in the last couple of months? Maybe he was maybe because of summer vacations, he's
Mm.
not getting the same environment at school, so maybe the minds. Because now, from last 2 to 3 days, he started speaking again in English because now
English.
he's speaking English in school, so now that is on the tongue. Like we are he's getting habitual now again. So maybe it's because of the summer vacations because everyone around him speaking in Hindi.
Hindi.
If my neighbors, kids, even in the park, wherever we are going, everywhere is Hindi. So
Yes.
maybe that's the reason.
Yes, ma'am. Then you use our trick, ma'am. You start telling a story by emphasizing the importance of English, ma'am.
I think it's a great idea. I will do it today.
Yes, so.
Definitely, I will do it. Yes, then only he will be understand.
Yes. Yes. Sometimes we need to do some tricks. We need to do some tricks, right, ma'am, in order to make them understand. And yes, they will visualize, they will realize, ma'am, everything in the form of story. So we can easily change their mind.
Right, right. See, teaching English nowadays is not a difficult task, especially to the
Yes.
kids. You just need to provide them with the environment, right environment. Even if one person is speaking in English at home, that's enough for them. They
Yes.
will pick up very nicely. Earlier was the case, there was no environment at all. Like when I was growing up, my father, my mother, my whole family, no one knows English at that time. So it's very difficult. But now it's quite easy. If somebody wants, especially the parent, if they want their child to speak in fluent English, they can do it. But the positive mindset is required.
Yes, ma'am.
You can talk to her if it is something urgent, no
Yes,
problem.
yes,
I
no,
have time.
is okay. Okay. Okay, wow.
Yeah.
My dad, ma'am,
So,
whenever we go to my native place, my dad and mom are there, ma'am. My dad, he usually tells them story, number of stories, so many stories, like king story,
mhm.
bird stories, some animation. It's not relevant, ma'am, not relevant to their habits or traits. He simply is fabricate some story and tells, ma'am. It is very nice to hear the story from my dad, ma'am. He visualize everything that there are
Wow.
1,000 birds on a tree, and when a sound occurs, the 1,000 birds fly away on the same time. Then imagine that place. So like this, he usually says, ma'am, like we can easily visualize that picture.
Oh, that is a skill. Actually, that's a skill. Not every person have that skill
Yes,
that
ma'am.
you can tell a story and the person starts visualizing it. Only a person can visualize when you have create that aura, that environment just by your words. So that is a skill and it's very important nowadays. Not
Yes,
everyone has that.
yes, ma'am. Yes. Okay. And is sometimes, ma'am, sometimes I feel that I'm doing something wrong. I am sometimes I regret that for my behavior. So in that also I'm using story, ma'am. Say I behaved like that, so sorry. In that story, I embed that thing in my story, and I ask sorry, ma'am. My daughters, they really understand that okay, mom is telling about herself, about her behavior, so we need to forgive her. So we transform from story to real life. Then they tell me, okay, my, please don't worry, we will not think like that. Please don't
Wow, so
think
nice.
bad about that.
Wow, so
Then at
nice.
last we pacify everyone. We mingle with everyone and we sleep, ma'am. So if anything happens on that day, we try to end up that struggles in
A
that
good
day
mood.
itself. Yes. And we
Great,
should not
great.
carry forward that to the next day.
Wow. You're giving me a good lesson because today only something has happened with my son. We had a fight
Okay.
for minor issue and now he was angry with me. I'm also angry with him till now. But as you have mentioned that I will finish it before I sleep and I will try to narrate a story about this incident only. He
Yes.
understands everything at night. I don't know because at night their mind may be calm or
Uh,
peaceful, so they understands everything. But during day, if you will ask them to do something or try to make them understand anything, they won't listen to you. I don't know, but it is very natural thing which I have noticed in my child especially.
yes, ma'am.
So
We
that
should
night
not.
stories are
Yes,
more effective.
yes, we should not push them. We should not actually yell at them, when their friends are surrounded by them. They feel
Yeah.
insecure. They feel. See, mom itself, she is behaving like this. That too in front of everyone. They feel very pathetic, ma'am, at that time. So in order to yell at them in front of others, we can tell to them in private, and you should not behave like this.
Mm.
You try to change your behavior. You shouldn't have done like that. You must have done like this. We can advise them when we are alone, ma'am. So even though they are a children, they are in this young age, they do have some self-respect, right, ma'am? We should not blame that. We should not go beyond that. There is a limit for everything.
Right, right. I think you're true.
Yes, my this was said by my dad, ma'am. See, you don't yell at your daughter in front of her friends. You talk to her in a room.
Right.
You advise her in a separate manner. So she has some self-respect. Don't you make sure that your words are not hurting her, not hurting her image. Though she is
Right.
in fifth standard or sixth standard, she has some image, right? You should not spoil that. This-
Right.
Study academic is secondary. First thing, her self confidence that will come in your words. So be is careful with your words. My dad, ma'am, she always tells this to me.
Very good.
Give
I think that's
respect
very
to your
nice words.
daughters.
Yeah.
Yes, give
Right.
respect to your daughters first.
Same my husband tells me, but you know what? This is me who feel frustrated sometimes and say a few bad words. And then he also started saying them. I don't know why, but he always had an argument with me only, not with his father. Because in front of his father, he behaved very nice. So his
Mm.
father thought that he is the best son in the world. But when he is not around, then his behavior is completely changed. It's just opposite, which is in front of his father. So it is really raising a concern, but what can I do? I don't understand. Sometimes I feel really bad and like I find no answer. What I should do and what I should deal with this kind of situation. Because his behavior in front of his father is very normal, nice. So how and when he comes at home and when I do any complaint about him, he said, no, my son is nice. He
Mm.
doesn't do in front of me anything, any such thing which you are telling. So you might be wrong. So sometimes I feel really bad. Like, why is it happening? I don't know. Why is that so stubborn?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, sometimes they pretend to be a good son in front of their dad, so in order to get so many
Right,
things from them.
right, right,
From
right,
him.
right.
Because as we are mother, we know, ma'am, all their activities, the from top to bottom, we know everything about them.
Right. That's true. But
So
our
we know.
husband did not know like what he's doing behind him.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then I think we should wrap up this session. It's already 5.
Yes.
Again, it's a nice conversation with you. I hope this video records well because there is some issue with my phone. I don't know, whenever I create session on Zoom, my voice doesn't record nicely. So I
Okay.
just pray that both the videos should record nicely. And please, if you have watched it, let me know whether it's recorded well or not.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
thank you so much. We'll surely connect again with another new fresh topic in future.
Surely, ma'am. Surely, I'm so happy, and I really thank you for the for your response, ma'am. I know you are very busy. You have so many things on your cap. So you have many feathers on your cap, but you responded, ma'am. You gave me a very quick response. I really feel very happy for that, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you
Thank you
so
for your
much.
precious time, ma'am. Thank you. You made my day, ma'am.
Same here. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.